Hello all, today we can see the differences between SOP, JD and KRA. Firstly, let's just see what is SOP. SOP stands for Standard Operating Procedure. An organization will be having lot of tasks that has to be successfully completed so that the organization goes in a successful path. SOP is basically a documentation of the step-by-step processes of each task to be performed in each function of the organization. Normally, the SOPs are defined by the experts in the field who has experience of doing the things very perfectly to get the desired outcome. So, when a person follows a standard operating procedure, that is SOP, and accomplishes a task, the task will give a desired result with a better quality. All successful organizations will have a standard operating procedure for each of its functions. And coming to JD, the JD stands for Job Description. Job description defines the detailed role and responsibility of a person who is employed in an organization. Job description normally has 4 components. First, it describes about the role for which that position exists in this organization. Secondly, it describes the responsibility of the person who holds the position. Thirdly, it gives the accountability of the person who holds the position for which he is answerable for. And finally, it defines the authority of the person. That means where and all he can take his decisions on his own and where and all he can sanction something to the people. Next, let us see the KRA. KRA stands for Key Result Area. Normally, key result areas are taken from job description, which gives a business impact at particular situation. These KRA should contain a task with a particular timeline and a measure to it. And these key result areas are measured at particular time intervals through KPIs, that is key performance indicators. In an organization, each employee will have a job description and they may or may not have a KRA. Why? Because normally KRAs are tasks that affect the business directly or indirectly. In an organization, each function and each task will have a standard operating procedure. This standard operating procedure ensures the quality and these KRAs ensure a timeline. In fact, job descriptions are also a standard operating procedure that has to be carried on by a person who is holding certain position. In reality, these SOPs and JDs help the people to deliver a quality work, and KRA defines a timeline within which these works has to be carried out properly. And this is all about SOP, JD and KRA. Thank you very much.